In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to update our profile on ImmiBuddy. When you land on the platform, all you have to do is to click on the sign in button, log in, and an OTP will be sent to your email address. Copy and paste that OTP, then click on the submit button. You'll get a notification to complete your profile in order to unlock all features and move ahead. Click on the proceed button. This is where you fill in your basic details like your middle name, your date of birth, your country of citizenship. You also fill in your phone number and your marital status. Then you fill in other details like your gender, your passport number, your passport expiry date, and your home address. After you've filled your home address, go ahead to select your country, your city or your town, and then select the state you're currently living in. Click on the continue button to move ahead. Then this is where you fill in the details of your emergency contact like the first name, the last name, the email address, and also the phone number and the relationship this person has to you. After you've filled in all those details, you click on the continue button. Now this is where you fill in the details of the school you attended or the schools you attended, the country of institution, the name of the institution you attended, the level of education, and your grading scale and CGPA. Then you fill in the address of the institution you attended. You fill in the primary language of instruction, the date you attended the institution, and the date you finished from that institution. If you have graduated from this institution, select yes and also pick the graduation date. If you have an extra education, click on the add education button. If you don't, you can just delete and move to the next step. Click on the continue button. Do you have a valid Canadian immigration document or visa? If you don't, select no and click on the finish button. Voila, you have successfully created and updated your profile.